If you want to run a case using your own fan, you can go to this Libraries tab and click on the Fans button. There you see some predefined fans, but if you want to define your own fan, you can click on this Add Fan button. You can then give it a name and a description. And then at the bottom you can give 3 reference values, the first one being the speed of the fan in rotations per minute, then the airflow in cubic meter per second, and then the pressure in Pascal. Now you have to define the performance curve of the fan by defining separate points that will define the curve. You click on the Add Points button and you enter a flow value and a pressure value. And you can repeat that for as many points as you want. Now your fan is ready. You just have to click on the Add Fan button and you can see your fan was created in the libraries. Now you can use it inside your case.